Right. Okay, guys. Good morning. Can you hear me? Send me a thumbs up. Hope you can hear me, right? Thumbs up, right? Now, today, what my plan? Though I thought of doing the papers, I do like this now. No classes on tomorrow because I'm having some works tomorrow. Let's do like this. Let's do on Poe day. Are you okay up to with that? Monday Poe day.
In the morning,
Yeah, morning is better, no? Or
sir,
even
I have another class.
at what time you are free?
No, sir, basically, I'm not 100% sure, but then in case like that class is happening, I'm
Okay,
gonna
let's
have.
do then evening. It's fine.
Sir, I'll have to ask my mother and see if she has put another class or not.
Okay, check and update me tonight because uh, Tuesday let's do like 2 or 3 hours. Then shall we do the second paper, second question, may second lesson related past papers on Tuesday or Monday? Got it? Just check and tell me on Monday about the situation. Now, when I filter the past papers, I saw capital and the other expenses and the revenue expenses are also included in here. Once we finish that, let's go to that part as well, and I'll keep Monday to do the past papers. All good? Send me a thumbs up, right? Monday, check and tell me about the situation. If you are free on Monday, let's do the past papers discussion on Monday, right? Okay, so right now, right. So I think in the end of the chapter question, we finished up to 6 yesterday, correct? Right? So we need to go with the seventh one, number 7. Let's see, 7. Which of the following would appear on the bank statement? Would appear. What is this? Appearing in the bank statement, right? This is not a reason for the difference. It's not a reason. A check issued but not yet present. A check paid but not credited. Dishonored check. Lost checks. What is the thing? Dishonored. Dishonored checks are appearing in the bank statement. Issued not presented and paid but not credited. Those things are not appearing in the bank statement. Only in the cash book bank column. Those checks are also not appearing in both. Number 8. Let's see. Sydney started business on 1st January. On 31st January, her cash book shows that uh, she had 2,100 in the bank. In the bank means, so if we prepare the cash book bank column, cash book having it shows 2,100 had in the bank means the BBF balance is a debit balance, BBD balance is a debit balance. The cash book bank column 2,100. Right? On that date, checks not yet presented for the payment details 600 and deposit 900 had not been credited by the bank. Now on that date, checks not presented for payment total 600, which means not present, which means these 600 was appearing in here but not in the bank state. Issued but not present. Deposit 900. These 900 appearing in debit side of the cash book but not appearing in the bank state. When we prepare the bank reconciliation, we prepare the cash balance as per cash book, balance as per cash book. That is 2100. Debit means a favorable balance. I told you normally in here plus I means unpresented, issued but not present. Minus D, which means deposit unrealized check. Then we take the bank statement, or you can check it. Is 900. So this 600. You can see this 600 credited in here, which means in here if I take deducted, which means 90. This is, since bank statement it's not appearing on the debit side, which means the debit deduction side, the balance is same, right? If I take A, that's why we add it plus 10. If we take B, this is added in here, which means cash book balance is 110. If I take the base as 100 for both, balance is 110. Oh, you can write just only the 100. Since it uh, not deducted, not added to the bank statement, still the bank is balance is same. So 100 minus 10, which be deducted. So this is 900. 2700, 1800 is 1800. This is not the overdraft. It is overdraft. It is comes as minus, means a debit balance. This is a credit balance. 1800. The answer is number B. Let's write the answers for number 9. Number 9. Why would you prepare bank reconciliation statement? Why would you prepare the bank reconciliations? You know, to identify and explain the differences between cash book bank column and the bank statement balance. Why you prepare it? You can write to identify and explain. To identify and explain the differences between. To identify, explain, explain the differences between the cash book bank and cash the cash book bank column differences, bank column and bank statement balances. Ensuring records are accurate. Number 10. How often the bank reconciliation statement is prepared? How often? Monthly, depend on the business state. Usually prepared monthly. Number 10. Usually, usually prepared monthly. Month. but can be prepared more frequently, but can be prepared more frequently depending on the business need. Depending, hope it's clear to you, right? Number 11, explain the term pay. Pay is the one who received the check, right? Pay. The person, the person or business who receives the check or payment. The name written on the check. In another word, you can write the name written on the check to whom should receive the payment. Number 12. What is the difference between standing order and direct debits? Standing order and direct debit. Standing order, standing order means we give the standing order, we give the instruction to the bank. Standing order means an instruction given by the account holder to the bank to pay a fixed amount regularly to another account. We give the instructions given. But when it comes to direct debits, which means that an authorization that allowed, an authorization that allows, we allow a third party to collect verify amount, to collect varying amounts. It's not a fixed amount, right? It is depending. Sometimes first month 1000, second month 900. Varying amounts directly from the account holders, from the account holder bank account. Authorization that allow. Number 30. What is mean by OD? OD means the standing order, right? Right. Number 30. OD stands for standing order. Sorry, OD stands for overdraft. Or draft. Overdraft means bank allowed the business to the check more than bank balance. Meaning the account holder, meaning the account holder has withdrawn, has withdrawn money, more money than it's available, than is available the account. Number 40. What is number 14, last one? What is a lodgement? It's asking what is a lodgement? Last one. Hope you can remember in late we discussed about bank lodgements, not on bank statement. Lodgements mean is the act of depositing money into the bank account. The act of depositing money into a bank account. We deposit money in the bank, which means money or cash, money, which means cash or check, has been deposited in the bank, has been deposited into the bank, right? So bank, now if what is the term called if like bank lodgement, not on bank statement, not on bank statement. What is the meaning? We deposited, right? But not on the bank statement. Means what? Which means this is additional note for you, right? So to understand, which means right, money has been deposited into the bank, money has been deposited into the bank, means deposit into the bank means we can identify record in the business cash book bank column, right? But has not yet, but has not yet appeared in the bank statement. That is the term called. Is it clear to send me a thumbs up? That is the full all clear. Write the things and raise your hand. Write the things and raise your hand. Once you done, raise your hands. Hope as you are still writing. Once you done, raise your hand. Give me a thumbs up if you are still writing. Can you hear me? Ah, okay. Once you're done, raise your hands. Once you done, raise your hands faster. Right. Okay. Now let's. I think we have fully done the lesson, right? Hope you're okay with the bank reconciliation. Hope you're okay with the bank reconciliation. Now we finish control account, bank error correction, right? So everything we did in here, this lesson, right? Hope you gain a good knowledge. Send me a thumbs up, right? Right. Now I told you let's do the past papers later. Let's start the new lesson, right? Lesson is about preparation of financial statement and end of period adjustments, right? I'll stop the recording and I'll do another.